Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Maple, a leading Canadian financial technology company. Found at www.maple.ca/en/home, Maple offers a comprehensive suite of financial services designed to simplify your financial life. Whether you're looking to manage your everyday banking, invest for the future, or secure a loan, Maple provides a convenient and accessible platform. Navigating to their homepage, you'll immediately see the emphasis on streamlined and user-friendly design. They highlight key services like their high-interest savings accounts, investment options, and various loan products. Maple aims to empower Canadians with the tools and resources they need to achieve their financial goals, offering a modern alternative to traditional banking. The site's clean layout and intuitive navigation make it easy to explore the different services available. You'll find detailed information about each product, including interest rates, fees, and eligibility requirements. Transparency is a core principle for Maple, ensuring customers are well informed before making any financial decisions. They also prioritize security, employing robust measures to protect your personal and financial data. Beyond their core offerings, Maple emphasizes financial literacy and education. They provide helpful resources and tools to help you better understand your finances and make informed choices. This commitment to customer empowerment sets Maple apart in the financial technology landscape. They understand that financial well-being is a journey, and they strive to be a trusted partner along the way. Exploring further, you'll discover the breadth of Maple services, extending beyond individual banking to encompass business solutions. They offer tailored financial products for businesses of all sizes, helping them manage their finances effectively and achieve their growth objectives. With its focus on innovation, accessibility, and customer centricity, Maple is positioning itself as a leader in the Canadian fintech space. Their commitment to simplifying financial management through technology is evident in the intuitive design and comprehensive suite of services offered on their website. Be sure to visit www.maple.ca/en/home to explore their offerings and see how they can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more insights into the world of technology.